Hey, Maya girl! Hi! Nice car! Nice Ferrari! Hulyan is the one who's driving it by using the controller or the transmitter. Huh?
Here. I want to go here.
Where?
Here.
To the playground?
Yeah.
Okay, go to the playground. Okay, Hulyan is now at the playground. And now it's Mommy's turn to drive the car using the controller. Woo! Left, Mommy Rhea. Left. To the field. Left to the field. To the field. Over there. There you go. Nice car! A Ferrari F12 Berlinetta racing sports car. An Italian exotic car. A 12-volt power ride-on. Remote control. Oh yeah! Is it fun, Rhea? Hi, Maya. Press the horn, Maya. There you go. Nice. Can I try it, Rhea? Thank you. Nice one. Is it fun, Maya? Nice car. Oh, I see a car key and a keychain. Wow. And there's a floor mat?
Yeah.
Wow, that is so cool. Oh, press the horn. There you go.
I know you see.
How about the revving sound?
Huh?
The revving sound.
Where?
I believe this button here. Nice. Nice car.